Hey, welcome back to Revamped Outdoors. My name's Elliot. A little bit different video here today. We're going out into the field to test some of the lures that I make. This channel is all about making things for the out of doors. This trip is going to be a bass fishing trip to the upper Mississippi River. This is actually day 2. Day 1 I will post down below and probably put a thumbnail up here. But we're only going to use soft plastics that I've designed and made with a 3D printer in mind out in the garage. If you want to peruse my previous catalog, you can see all those down below. And I think we had a pretty good, decent, successful weekend catching bass on those baits. So everything in this video is going to be something that I designed and made in the garage, for the exception of the jigs. Obviously, we bought those at the store, but stay tuned because I have a jig from scratch video series that's going to come out pretty soon. So if that's something you're into, possibly consider subscribing. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Appreciate it. It's YouTube, gotta say it. It also helps me to determine if I'm doing something right here. So I appreciate it, and hopefully you appreciate the video. So leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and till the next one, keep your amps up and your filament dry.
Here is a summary of current river stages on the Mississippi River. At Lansing, the stage was 8.6 feet, which is unchanged.
Woo! Woo! Catching big smallmouth. Oh! I mean, he ain't the biggest one. Get it on the slow-mo. Well, come on now. There should be a smallmouth on that stuff. Seems like 90% of the bites are like as soon as it hits close to the rocks. Yeah. Well, that just don't make a lick of sense. Well, welcome to day 2 where the fish still don't want to cooperate. Holy current.
Yeah, it's right at this point. Well, that bubbling current is right there.
Mm-hmm. They on the other side? Look like they're on the other. Oh, can you get there? Oh, almost got there. I don't think I can get there with this one. Nope. I'm gonna try something dangerous here. There we go. There he is. He might just be real. Hey, thanks. You upset because that's your fish?
You had a smile on your face.
Took a lot out of him with that. Wow, boy! Ooh! Ooh! That other one was on that log, right? That's in there? Oh. Alright, that was on, I don't even know what these called. Northland jigs with a bitter box tail. How much do you subscribe to that whole, when it's cloudy, use dark colors, when it's sunny, use light colors?
No.
You don't? You just use whatever, figuring it out.
Whatever's on my rod.
Just cycle through colors. Oh, there he is. Hey, it's still good though.
a little guy.
He's good. Nice. Well, you only live once, as the kids say nowadays. This is a perfect time to say if anyone wants to sponsor the channel with their custom bass jigs, feel free to send them.
There's another slough down that way just a little bit that's real similar to this one. Where the big channel comes off. I mean, it just seems like the further back off, like the big channels we get, like the less.
It's not really doing as well, yeah.
Like everything seems to be just off of the bigger slough.
Right into it. Hey-oh, we're good. Power Pro, bending hooks. Since 19 whatever. It went into it just like a fish too. Oh. Yeah, exactly. That's why it was buried 2 inches into that thing. There he is. Oh, yeah.
Here you go, bud.
Right in there. You got first aid here?
Nope.
That's not a fish. Just clearing out a spot to cast. There he is. Oh, look how big he is. It's a huge one, dude. Look at that. That's a wall hanger. You don't find these very often. They're kind of rare. It's a good one. Got me excited. It definitely wasn't huge. Definitely wasn't needing that either.
Oh, yeah. You gotta get all excited.
Get the net, oh my god, shoot. There's one. Get the net, Dave, get the net, go. Get the net, oh jeez. It's a decent size. He's not huge. It's up to you. He's longer, he's not quite as fat as the last two. There's one. Oh, he's a monster. Big fish of the day there. Big fish of the trip, actually. He's huge. I thought so. Apparently not. Oh! Bass. I was cranking it too much on him. Should have figure eighted him. But I saw that other one working on this bank, but what's that? This one? Yeah. But I don't know, they're probably in there too.
Somewhere. Where's, I don't know.
Tree
Tree branch.
branch. There he is. Smallie. That's a decent smallmouth bass. Trying to jump in the boat, Rambo. On the old bitter box. Green yellow belly. With a jig that like perfectly matches it. Oh yeah, definitely a stick. Nope. We found the smallmouth, that's for sure. Alright, I'm going complete opposite, real dark, because I don't have any light jigs anymore.